Okay, I will try to record a series of videos on the one simulation package called GENE, Gyrokinetic Electromagnetic Numerical Experiment. Um, first things first, I'm a second year graduate student at the time I'm filming this, so I'm definitely not expert in this field. I'm just making this video series so that can be a great uh, uh, note for myself, and also hopefully it'll be beneficial for people who want to start learning about things like this. So to check, if you Google gene, you will get a lot of biology stuff. But so you can just log into the official website genecode.org. What basically it do is basically solving gyrokinetic equation and Maxwell's equation, and in the grid and with and advancing in terms of time step. It's of local linear, local nonlinear, and the global linear, global nonlinear, and also it's solved neoclassical for diffusion. Basically for transport. And what it does is it take the equilibrium profile that has a density, temperature, and velocity, and it basically does equilibrium profile in terms of the particles, and the magnetic geometry, basically the magnetic field, in terms of magnetic field, and the parameter file basically can define how you wanna scan for, like, for instance, different wave numbers, different mole numbers, or how you want to define the grid, and where you want to do the simulation at, stuff like that. And it will calculate in terms of, like, basically advance in terms of time steps, and the output, it will output ener- energy file, fuel file, moment file, VSP file, and the neoclass file. Neoclassical file will only have that once you simulate neoclassical, simulate neoclassical. So the energy file uh, give you a file in terms of time that have a have flux. Field file give you the in terms of static potential, uh, magnetic vector potential, and B parallel. Those are depends on if you want to simulate them. They will be there or not. And the moment file was perturbed density, perturbed temperature, perturbed velocity, and VSP is basically, as far as I know, is basically a mapping from a velocity space to the real space. And the neoclass is basically the transport that you need for neoclass classical simulation. Um, some useful material you can check on the genecode.org. They have a lot of publication related to the gene. Of course, the manual will be very useful once you start to get used to it. And the thesis of Florian Merth 2008 are really useful as well. I think it gave you a lot of underlying theory behind it. So yeah,